Hey, so I'll be taking another DNA sample of a baby lovebird. This is the DNA sampling kit that I usually get from HealthGene in Canada. It costs you nothing. The kit comes for free. You just have to pay for the test itself, which is around $17 or so. So you just have to write down the ID, which comes from the leg band on the bird, then the species and the name of the person, which would be me, the owner. So I'm just gonna fill out this form. Species is lovebird. And I'm sure, I think I know the ID number for this bird. Just have to make sure that I have it right. So I'm gonna take a double look. That's AAC 1163. As you can see, probably it's 1163. AAC and 1163, year 22. And I'm gonna use a nail clipper, wipe it off with the alcohol wipe. Make sure there's no leftover DNA or blood from a previous bird or anything else. Let's get this started. Usually I do this quite early, but this time a little late. I had a bunch of babies there, and this kind of took my time. All right, so we just take a little bit of nail off. Just clip a bit, not too much. And keep his nail straight. Get my clipper adjusted. There we go. I'm gonna gently squeeze it. Get a nice little drop of blood. And put it right on. Just need a few drops, you know. We don't need a lot of blood. I've seen and heard people clip off of way bigger chunks, but I'm not too comfortable doing that. So I don't really mind this being a little slow process, and no, not painful at all, in my opinion, for the bird. See that? I'm just gonna take a couple of more drops. Put it on each side. Stretch out his foot. Gently squeeze this, squeeze this, squeeze this, squeeze this. Collect a nice little blood sample. See how it's just these tiny little drops? That's all you really need. I'm just gonna add another drop each on each side, and that would be good. I think that's good enough already, but here we go. See, just take some quick healing compound and on the toenail. Just keep it there for like around 10 seconds. This is gonna help the bleeding stop immediately, so there is no blood loss or infection or anything happening. This is antibacterial too, and that's about it. So here I've collected a blood sample, a couple of drops on each side, the name of the owner, the species, and the ID number, the band number for the bird. Gently slide this in, not all the way. I'm gonna let this dry out for approximately 15 minutes, and then we are ready to close the envelope and mail it out. That's about it.